$20 billion. That's what Australia is spending on home batteries in the next few years, and 9 out of 10 of them coming from Chinese factories most of us will never see, made by people we'll never meet, and SHA has been making inverters and energy systems since 2005, and almost nobody here talks about them. Now when they do come up, it's never the product that failed, it's the install. So when a more price-focused option hits the market, it attracts volume installers. Volume installers sometimes cut corners, and cut corners with batteries means bad outcomes, and bad outcomes get blamed on the brand. So when SHA reached out and invited us to go to China, we got onto a plane.
Where are we going?
We're going to China.
Presented by Your Energy Answers.
So Guangdong, where we just were, that's a 20 million people city, nothing too big. And we now go to Guangzhou, and I believe it's still in the 10, 15 million category. Coming back out of the bullet train, and here, that's the train station. It looks a bit like out of the Beijing Olympic buildings, but it's just a train station.
What'd you say?
I said age before puberty, then I walk forwards.
I got both.
You got both on your side.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
What's your impression of this grand hotel?
Well, it's got a big entrance hall, very impressive, but I always judge a hotel by the bed in which I'm lying. I once went to the LG factory tour, and literally you were nearly walking out in handcuffs. You weren't allowed to film, you weren't allowed to say, you weren't allowed to discuss. It was just like a church procession through the factory.
Yeah. We've got special permission to film today, so we're bringing the crew in with us.
Do you think these flowers are just here for us, or they
brought them out, no, for us, in red, mate, matches your outfit.
Are they real or plastic?
They're real,
I can't.
Absolutely. They could be real, they could be fake. They're fake. What do you reckon, mate? No, they're real.
They're real.
Oh, wow. Vincent is my name from Australia. How you going, sir? Ready to meet you, sir?
This is a delegation from Burma.
Oh, sure.
Myanmar. So they're obviously selling
Thank you, guys.
the SAJ gear in other parts of Asia.
Okay, excellent. I'm from Australia, but I work for SAJ.
Anyway,
Yeah.
I don't know if they speak a lot of English.
Yes.
Everything is so clean. Hey Vincent, you look like a bit of a French baker, huh?
Oui.
And I think they're giving you the L, not the XL. I think.
No, I'm testing the capacity of these buttons. So let's go.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
It's face recognition lift.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Why not?
You can feel it's cool here. We control the temperature and humidity.
Oh, it's heavy. Yes.
Right. But do not touch.
No, I'm not gonna do that. I understand. Because I have grease on my hand, and that's not good for
And also
this.
for the ESD, the high.
Right. This is obviously manufactured off-site, or are these manufactured here and they are being stored here?
For PCBA, the logistic flow chart is we design everything PCB and the electric component. We buy and we send the local supplier they support for the assembly.
Will there be one maybe faulty or never faulty?
Overall, 1%.
1% failure. Okay.
Here maybe 0.3.
0.3 maybe?
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay. And it is a mix between manual and still some automated. And in the inverter industry as a whole, it is not as robotic yet as it is in the panel manufacturing. Dead on arrival literally doesn't happen. And it's great to see when Australian sales guys now out there talking to their Australian customers that they really can say, well, I've been in the factory, I see how they get made, I see the quality processes. So from that perspective, quite impressive.
That's why they're trying to do more vertical integration where everything's they manufacture themselves so they can control it.
Have a look. It's basically called the coding process. I don't know if it's highly secretive or not, but here we are filming it. See, I can't see Australia getting into the inverter making business anymore. I mean, the volume that we could sell, the distance that Australia has from the rest of the world, it's just going to make us hard for us to be back into that manufacturing game. I really think brighter sparks than me have to work out how and where we can stay relevant.
You know HAPO test?
No.
1500 volt
Yes.
charge. This is one kind of security test.
Right. So this is not just a quality control, but it's a safety. Yes. You got a lot of women here working in the field. In China, in the factories, do the women work harder than the men?
Same.
Same.
Equal. We are equal.
I should ask your wife.
Also, my wife, we are equal.
Yeah. With my wife, I'm not equal.
So-
She's my boss.
Depends.
The Asian wife often the boss.
Normally, maybe today is different.
At home, she's the boss. Outside,
Outside, you are the boss.
I pretend to be the boss. Do they just come here to work and then they live far, far away, or they live from this region?
They live in dormitory.
They
Live in dormitory.
They live here in this
Yes.
town.
Yes.
They're living next door. In the dormitory.
Yes, dormitory.
Okay. This one would not be necessarily a product that's sold in Australia a lot because it's low voltage. What countries would you sell that to mainly?
Normally, we sell in the Vietnam, Pakistan,
right.
and other also country. Mostly for the Asia country. Yeah.
Got it. These things, they're like your babies. And you're sending them in the world. And after that, you never see it again.
But we have the other guy, they will take care. Someone like a sales technical guy,
Yeah.
they will take care.
This is too fast for me. I need
Where are we
more
going?
time. I'm too old. I cannot work in your factory. So we're here in front of the heat chamber. I am feeling hot. There's a fan going. We're looking at 42, 43 degrees. So they get all the products. Every single inverter gets put in here. Now, why does every inverter need 3 hours in a heat chamber?
So environmental factors all over Australia. We want to be able to install it right the way up to the Northern Territory, and right the way down to Tasmania, and know that you're going to get a reliable product that performs.
Can I give you a bit of a motivational idea?
Yeah.
The sales guy that doesn't achieve the target got to be 2 hours with the product.
Yeah, listen, he'll probably come out better. It's a health and wellness retreat in there with the sauna. Probably a bit more limber and relaxed. But
Two
yeah,
cold beer.
a couple of cold beers will relax him down.
From an environmental point of view, solar is all supposed to be the clean and green, but sometimes when it comes to recycling, we're not always still on top.
So we're increasing the amount of cardboard, decreasing the amount of styrofoam. It takes time to change the product range.
Right.
So at the moment, it's still a balance of both.
This is the future.
The future is it. Yeah.
Okay. And a lot of installers, that's what they're really cranky with. You've got to have the stuff packed in easily recyclable material, because otherwise it costs those guys a fortune to get rid of all the packaging. It's not like solar panels where it's 3 steps, 5 steps. The inverter is maybe 50 steps, 60 steps. So it's much more complex, and therefore do it robotic would be much more expensive.
Expensive and more complicated.
Yes. How many countries you selling into? Do you know? I read 85. Could that be right?
80, more than that.
More than that?
More than 80.
More than 80. Okay. Sorry for the wrong number. We're selling into more than 80 countries.
More than 80.
So when you don't do the tour, what do you normally do? You know, like today, you're guiding us. What is your other job in the factory? What do you do?
Quality.
You're the quality manager. Right. See, because it's quality control, I'm asking all these sales-oriented questions. He goes, Now, you said some staff is living in the dormitory here.
Yeah.
How often they go back home?
Monday to Friday. If they maybe more than 2 hours, they don't want to go home, like daily.
Yeah,
2
it's too
hours.
much travel.
Too
Yeah.
much travel.
So this is for some of the material that comes in. If you want to test or to double check, then you have opportunity to look at it closer here, is it?
Yeah.
Right.
And do you test the testing machines?
So your warranty is about 10?
Normally 10,
Right.
but later we will have 15 years warranty.
Ooh, 15 years.
Yeah, 15 years.
That's impressive.
Yeah. We are confident.
Good.
That's why it's the battery. We take samples, this is battery cell from the
Right.
supply. We use this testing system to confirm the battery quality.
What was your first name?
Liao.
Le?
Liao. L-A-A-O.
All right, Leo. So guys, 15-year warranty. If at 13 years, 9 months,
you can
there's
go to
a
me.
problem, ask for Leo at the SAJ factory, okay?
This is the vibration test.
Right.
Vibration to simulate the transportation condition.
For the truck driving.
Yeah. Truck
Ah,
driving, simulate the-
gee, you think of everything. Can you turn it on? This is very bad road.
But we need to make sure even the bad load, the package can protect the product.
Right.
This is the very slow frequency.
Give it a bit of, come on, give it a freeway. This is Outback Road, Australian Outback. This is a Myanmar country road.
But we will follow the standard.
Yeah, I got it. 10 years ago, you wouldn't have had any EVs. And now I can see literally every second car, and in the city, even more.
More than 50%.
Are you driving an EV?
Yeah.
Ah, which one? What brand?
BYD.
But I thought BYD was much more popular outside of China than in China. It's still popular in China too?
Still, I think out of China, BYD, 吉瑞.
Ah.
I don't know how to say it.
There's
Chili.
chili.
Cherry.
Cherry.
Cherry. Yeah.
Cherry.
Also famous out of China.
Okay. But you guys are winning more than you're losing now.
We are winning now. I think.
Yeah, we're winning many more than you're losing. And there's another team that used to win a lot. We don't want to say the name. With the old man on the top. You know which country I'm talking about? The one with the old man on the top. He's now 80 years old. This is the cupboards for the
empty case.
for the batteries to go in, is it?
Yeah, the battery will go inside.
Definitely commercial product 3-phase, huh?
Yeah.
So they're already full with batteries? No, they're empty.
Not yet, empty.
In China, you don't have 500 battery module manufacturer. There's only a limited number. So this battery would not be made by you. You're bringing that in, is that correct?
Nor we buy this from the supply.
You're purchasing this.
But later we can produce.
You're
ourselves.
looking at maybe down the track to produce yourself.
Maybe in 3 months we will buy the cell and
Right.
we'll do the pack.
So basically there's the cell, then there's the pack,
Yeah.
then is integration into the unit.
Into the unit.
But if there's a big demand suddenly in the world for batteries, then all you guys are fighting with the supplier to get supply. So then you have to pay more.
You're right.
So you're ringing every day, we need more battery, need more
no,
battery.
we need some people
Ah, yeah.
on set.
Right. No, what you do at night, you take them for the drinking and you sing with them and then they give you the battery.
Yeah, sometimes you know what Chinese very well.
I used to work for LG Electronics. LG, yeah.
Oh.
I worked 10 years for LG. The Soju diplomacy. And I noticed he's got a different color than the others. So he's the supervisor, is it?
Land leader.
He's
land leader.
the leader. And we're just white. We're only visitor. Customer. All right.
And you see the color in pink is quality.
Pink is quality. So you're normally the pink man.
Yeah. Pink man.
You don't just start here and you put your hand up and I'm the quality guy. So what did you have to do to become in charge of quality?
I come from the automotive industry.
Ah, you
I'm
come.
10 years.
And so how long you been here now?
3 years, more than 3
3
years. Yeah.
And straight away in quality control,
Manufacturing quality.
manufacturing quality.
Yeah.
And are you the boss now? Are you the top?
Only the plant.
For the
quality.
plant.
Yeah.
But you're still very young.
Not young. 36.
36.
Yeah, not young.
From my perspective, you're young to me.
May I know how old?
You're asking me how old I am?
Yeah.
Is in China, is it polite or rude to ask how old?
In China, it's not polite to ask a lady, but it's okay to ask a
The ugly man.
handsome man.
I'm 66.
So 30 years.
Yeah. 30 years difference. Yeah.
30 years.
So I'm 30 years smarter.
Not older.
No, but also smarter.
Oh, smarter,
I had
yeah,
30 years longer to learn.
No, maybe 60 years smarter.
This guy's ready for sales. How many children you got? 1 or 2?
2.
Oh, you're rich.
It's normal.
Now it's normal.
Normal for maybe for my generation.
Right. I enjoy, you know a lot, Leo. You're very informative, thank you.
Really?
Yeah. Well, they're getting packed away now to be shipped overseas. Everything has the branding on it. Everything is pre-prepared to be put into boxes. Wow. Leo. Thank you so much.
See you next time.
Share everything with us, you know. Tell me about all the Chinese politics.
No politics.
Now tonight, you come for drinking with beer, we talk politics. Not a good idea. No camera, no. Here's what I know that I didn't know before I walked into the SAJ factory. The product is good. The quality is real. Leo isn't the marketing story. He's the man in the team that signs off on every single unit before it leaves the factory. So SAJ has been quietly sitting on Australian walls since 2019. Not many people talked about them, and I think that's about to change. The brand is solid. All you have to do is find a good installer. Then, with SAJ and the installer together, you will get a good outcome. Please also subscribe and support what we do. And we keep going inside the places most people who are interested in solar battery will never see. Till next time.
1, 2, 3.
Please support the channel by liking the video, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, and check out all our other videos. Want more energy answered? Visit yourenergyanswers.com for quality energy products, tools and calculators, and find your quality local installers. You're still here? I'll see you next time. Bye.